Alright, welcome back to another dimension and another card opening video. And for this video today we have, grab under my desk. Ooh, this is gonna be too big. Too big to show on the camera, but we have Alolan collection. This is a Lunala GX. And not only do we have one, but we have two. I guess I can show it over here. Maybe look. There it is. So I found these recently in my local store, local Meijer. And they were like 32 bucks. And then they were on sale, buy one, get one half off. So for some reason they had these just chilling there. Maybe they were in the back and they got pulled out. I mean, they say 2016. I mean, these are back from Sun and Moon. So let's see. They're a little ripped open, but everything's in there. Just the plastic is ripped. So I see some Evolutions packs. Let's see if we can get what else. The Charizard out of here. Since we can't get Charizard out of Champion's Path. Pull up the card list. Pull up some card lists here. Let's pull everything out first and then take a look. These big old massive boxes. So we got, had to take the plastic off the other thing, of course. Holy cow, man. Holy cow. Oh boy, did my thing stop recording? Oh my god. Couldn't make a video without some kind of technical difficulty, right? Oh boy. I have to figure out what I got recording, what I didn't. Fennekin. Snubble. Seal. Ooh. Bronzong. Break. Could be the Umbreon though. And Barnacle.
This is a load of barnacles.
Well, we got two. We got the Altaria also. Out of the Fates Collide first pack. I got these Pikachu Vivid Voltage sleeves. Because I think my camera did not record. Or stopped, my Streamlabs stopped recording. Of course. So I don't know what I had recorded, but here's some things that we got before. We opened some Steam Siege packs. Two of them got nothing. Got the Lunala pins. The two Lunala GX boxes that I got on sale randomly at the store in 2020. Got the two figures. Got two sets of these. Re-recording this just in case I didn't get the beginning of anything. Got a bunch of bulk. Always got to be something. All right. So we do have two Breakpoint packs. And on the brighter side, we have 4 Evolutions. Let's make up for all this. Make up for all this with a Gyarados EX. The shiny red Gyarados EX. Oh, there's the code right there. It's not even flipped upside down like the other ones. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully it's 3 like the other ones. And we have Special Energy, Splash Energy. I used plenty of those on the online game. Electivire. A Reverse Valley. Petalil. Brokey. Chillin'. Electabuzz. Ferroseed. Esper. Reverse Garchomp. Not bad, actually, Garchomp. And Manaphy EX Full Art. That's not bad, right? Oh, there's some white spots. Still a nice looking card, though. Put him in the big boy sleeve. Alright, we still got a chance at the Gyarados, though. Regular, here's the code. 1, 2, 3. Cloyster. Nice art. Kricketune. Stantler, everybody's favorite. Pancham. Growlithe. Esper. Numel. Honedge, looking like the Master Sword. Reverse Drowsy. A maniacal looking Drowsy. And Seismitoad non-hollow. Alright. Now we got the 4 evolutions. 4 big boys. We don't have a Charizard art pack, unfortunately. 2 Blastoise. It's okay. Blastoise is my favorite. Blastoise was the reason I got into Pokemon in the first place. Because I saw it on the cover of Pokemon Blue in '98 and picked that game out for my birthday. Knew nothing about Pokemon at the time. It was too new, too brand new. So let's start with the Raichu. Been on the search for the... Oh no. Oh no. That better not be a bad sign, a bad omen. Been on the search for Charizard. Haven't gotten him yet, so maybe we'll get him out of this. Evolutions code 1, 2, 3, I'm guessing. Venusaur Spirit Link. If we get Venusaur, I'll take that too. Potion. Kakuna. Machop. Growlithe. Pikachu. There's the Pikachu I was looking for in the Vivid Voltage. Chonky one. Psychic Energy. Charmander. Reverse Gyarados. Classic art. And Doug Trio. This Gyarados card feels weird. It's cut, wow, it's cut way off. It just feels so weird. It feels completely different. It's supposed to feel that way? I don't have much experience with the reverse rares from this set. Alright, we'll put that there. It's cut so poorly. Oh, that's unfortunate. Alright. Venusaur. Bring us some better... a little better luck. I mean, Gyarados is cool, but... 1, 2, 3. Going for the Zard. Going for the Blastoise. Poliwhirl. Full Heal. Porygon. Onix. Staryu. It's washed up. Starry. Chonky Pikachu again. Doduo. Ponyta. Reverse Charizard, Spirit Link. Ooh, could be a good omen. Eradicate. Okay, this one also feels just like the other one. So it's got stuff on it though. What in the world? What is that? All right, Blastoise. Mega Blastoise. It's gonna come in big here. Bringing the chonky boy right out of the gate. One, two, three. Porygon. Pidgeot, Spirit Link. Nidorino. Chonkster. Doduo. Ponyta. Nidoran. Seal. Reverse Diglett, just what I wanted. And Farfetch'd. It's so off. What is... Why is it so off center? Oh my god. There's a strange feel to it, I swear. Alright, last pack. Bring it home. Let's end on something big here. One, two, three. Ooh, Imakuni's Doduo. Seeing these cards back in the old days. Thought for sure they weren't real. I mean, but why would I think that? I mean, this totally looks like a legit card. You know, it's not weird at all. Frenzied Escape, Harmonize. Imakuni? I had no idea. I didn't understand this as a kid at all. Just these troll meme cards. So weird. When this Doduo retreats, hold this card and throw it as hard as you can because Doduo is running away. Throw the card horizontally with a snap to get the farthest distance. This is just like straight up Japanese humor. Harmonize. From the moment you use this attack, you must begin to sing a song. While the song is being sung, the game continues. When the song is finished, this attack does 30 damage. This card cannot be used at official tournaments, so that's unfortunate. Too broken. Card's too good. Metapod. Pidgeot, Spirit Link again. Seal. Staryu. Roadrunner. Ponyta. Tangela. Ooh, Needle King Break. Break cards were real short-lived, weren't they? And Dugong. Non-holo rare. Well, we can sleeve that up. We'll sleeve up the Needle King Break. Well, there you have it, and that's it. That's it for the two Lunala GX boxes. The reverse. These reverses. We got these reverses that feel really weird to me. The Altaria EX. The Full Art Manaphy EX. Bronzong break, and the Nidoking break. So that's it for this video. Until next time.